Well, after finishing up the Camino Labaniego yesterday and continuing on the Camino Vidiniense, we have started to hike toward the Picos de Europa, starting in the town of Mogrovejo. And we're on a trail called the PR22, which is going to hook up to the GR202. So when we went to bed, went to camp last night, we had gorgeous views of the mountains. But when we woke up in a cloud, which is still here. And so hoping that kind of burns off or blows away. But some beautiful views along the trail in the fog of these gorgeous trees. So I'll show you a picture or two from our campsite. And we should be very close now to the border of Picos de Europa. So glad to have you along, and hope you get something out of these videos in the Picos de Europa. Well, we're still on the PR22 and still stuck in the fog, but I just thought I'd show you some cows. I love the sound all these cowbells make. It's such a peaceful sound. Well, we're on the GR202 now, and the fog is clearing out really well. And I just love that transitional time between it being completely fogged in and clearing. And I'll show you some pictures. I think you'll enjoy them. It was really a beautiful transition, and I'm very happy it happened. And hopefully the weather will hold at least until late afternoon. That would be nice. But it is, I think you can tell in the background, it is gorgeous here. And just wide open, so beautiful. Well, it was clearing up nicely, but the fog has moved back in. I made a little time-lapse video. It's sped up about 15 times of it clouding up again. So I think you'll find it kind of interesting. These horses are cool too. So it's been mostly walking on dirt roads until we got to near Sotres, and then we were able to bypass a long section of the road on a nice trail, really nice trail, and up to the first pass. And then at the second pass, the dirt roads end, and then we're back on a real trail, which is fun. This is a fun trail. So a lot of twists and turns, a lot of mud. A fun little trail. But we also got a great view of Pico Urielu, which is probably, I guess, the most distinctive looking peak in the Picos de Europa. And the plan is, if the weather holds for tomorrow, is to circumnavigate that, kind of combining 3 trails, making a day hike out of it. So we'll see how that works. We'll see if the weather holds for us. But yeah, this trail, I'm having to really keep my eye open on this trail. But yeah, it was nice to get that clear shot. I'll show you a picture of that clear shot of Oriello. So we've been backpacking for 15 days. And after 15 days, we've got this hotel that's right behind me, El Caleon here in Bulnes. Bulnes has 2 parts. It has a lower part that's more developed and this upper part that's very undeveloped and very quiet. And we've got this for 2 nights. And tomorrow we're just going to do a day hike. We're going to try to do the loop hike around Bulnes, but that's going to be dependent on the weather and probably dependent on how we feel, because it'll be a tough day hike. And yeah, so we've got this place for 2 nights, and taking a shower was unbelievable. It was a wonderful experience after 15 days out, and I'm sure the bed will be equally as good. At any rate, take care and God bless, and we'll see what tomorrow has in store.